because these pollen grains are rich in nutrients. So since pollen grains are rich in nutrients and hence used as nutrient supplements like tablets or syrups. Okay, in India it is very rare, but in foreign countries it is generally using as nutrient supplements. Okay, now these pollen grains, or we can say pollen products, tablets or syrups, they are enhance the performance of athletes and race horses. So it enhances the performance of athletes or race horses in foreign countries. Okay, so this is pollen products, tablets or syrups. Okay, next we have to come on one more term is there, that is pollen viability. Pollen viability. Now, what do you mean by pollen viability? So pollen viability means the period, okay, the time in which pollen grain retain the ability to germinate. Okay, so what we can say, the period or time in which pollen grain retains the capacity of germination, okay, is known as pollen viability. Okay, so the period or time in which pollen grains retains the capacity of germination is known as pollen viability. Now, it is highly variable. It is highly variable and depends on where? Temperature and humidity. It is highly variable and depends on temperature and humidity of environment. Okay, now this is a very important line, that pollen viability depends on where? Temperature and humidity. Okay, now some examples we are taking, like for example wheat and rice, their pollen viability is 30 minutes only. How much? 30 minutes. Means if within 30 minutes no fertilization will takes place, no utilization of pollen grains will be there, they become dead. Okay, so wheat and rice pollen viability is 30 minutes, but in some example, rosaceae, leguminosae, pulses family, leguminosae, Solanaceae, potato family, Solanaceae, potato, tomato. Okay, they are having pollen viability up to several months. So they are having pollen viability up to several months. Okay, so this is what pollen viability. Previously what we seen, pollen products. Now next we will see pollen banks. So next is pollen banks. You all of you know what do you mean by bank? Where something is being preserved. Okay, if we are saying that money is preserved or keeping, that is bank, like Bank of India, State Bank of India. Here pollen banks means pollen grains is being preserved. Okay, so what it is there, pollen grains can be preserved in liquid nitrogen medium. This is important. Where liquid nitrogen medium, at which temperature? At minus 196 degree centigrade temperature. Okay, so pollen grain can be preserved in liquid nitrogen medium and temperature is what? Minus 196 degree centigrade temperature. For what purpose? For a later use in plant breeding program. Okay, for later use in plant breeding programs. Okay, and programs, and this process is called cryopreservation, and it is known as cryopreservation. Now anyone wants to tell how this pollen grain can be preserved? Yes, right. Means due to presence of sporopollenin. Okay, so due to presence of sporopollenin, pollen banks creates and pollen grain can be preserved. Okay, now some small terms are there that you have to know. Okay, what is that? First one is palynology. Palynology. So what is palynology? Yes, right. What is that? Study of pollen grains. Study of pollen grains is called what? Palynology. Now, next term is melitopalynology. Melitopalynology. Here what happens? If pollen grains used for purification of honey, what I told? Purification of honey, that study is known as melitopalynology. So, study of purification of honey with the help of pollen grain is called melitopalynology. Okay. Now, next is smallest pollen grain, which plant contain smallest pollen grain? Okay, next we have to see the smallest pollen grain. So smallest pollen grain contained in Myosotis plant. Which one? Myosotis plant, and their size is 2.5 to 3.5 micron meter. Okay, so this is the smallest pollen grain. Next is largest pollen grain. Next is largest pollen grain, and the largest pollen grain contained in Mirabilis jalapa. What I told? Mirabilis. Here, what is their size? Their size is 250 micron meter. Okay, so this is largest pollen grain, Mirabilis. Next is longest pollen grain. Okay, longest pollen grain. So it is Zostera, longest pollen grain. Where it is found? Zostera. And what is their length? So that is 2500 micron. Okay. So these are some important: smallest pollen grain, largest pollen grain, longest pollen grain, melitopalinology, palynology, cryopreservation. These terms are coming in the medical exam. Okay, so please be attentive on that. Next, we have to see development of male gametophyte. This development of male gametophyte we will discuss in next class. Thank you. Hello, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.